Hi guys, today we talk about Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's launched on January 2024. The dimensions of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra: height 6.39 inches, width 3.1 inches, thickness 8.6 mm. The weight is 233 grams. Build front and back glass and titanium frame. The display type of this mobile it comes with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X and the screen size is 6.8 inches. 88.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the refresh rate is 120Hz. And it comes with 2600 nits peak of brightness. The protection is Corning Gorilla Glass Armor and the platform of this mobile it comes with Android 14 operating system with One UI 6.1 and the chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4. The GPU Adreno 750. Let's talk about the memory. It comes with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 512 gigs plus 1 TB gigs ROM. Let's go to the camera. It comes with quad camera setup, 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto and 10 megapixel telephoto camera. And it's record 8K 30fps video with main camera and the selfie camera is 12 megapixel. Let's go to the battery. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 55 watt wired charging and 15 watt wireless charging and it supports reverse wireless charging 5.5 watt. The common and the feature it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 water and dust resistance. The price of Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is $1200.